Function notation is commonly used when trying to evaluate a function for a given x value, or any given variable really. So if you're given the function f of x equals 3x minus 8 over x plus 5, find f of 2. So this is your function. Here, f of x equals 3x minus 8 over x plus 5. So when it says find f of 2, the whole thing is your y value or your output, but the x value is 2. That's what it wants you to substitute in to get what the y value or the function value would be when x equals 2. So all we do, wherever you guys have a variable, we are substituting in the value 2 in that spot. So instead of 3 times x, we're going to have 3 times 2 minus 8 divided by 2. So anywhere you guys have an x, we are putting in the value 2, and then we're just going to simplify that. So 3 times 2, that gives us 6. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, minus 4, plus 5. And the notation piece, we just leave that as f of 2 on the left side. So we don't actually do anything on the left side. It just stays the notation. Like, hey, we're finding the function value when the x equals 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Plus 5 gives us 7. So we would say f of 2 equals 7. So the function or y value equals 7 when x is 2. So all you're doing is you're going to be given a function or an equation, and it will tell you what value to substitute in. So similarly, for number 1 here, f of x equals 3x, find f of negative 7. So that's your function. It's telling you what to substitute in. So we'll note finding the function when x equals negative 7. So instead of 3 times x, 3 times negative 7. So negative 21. So switches it up a little bit here for number 2, gives you h of w. So the function is h, and it's just using the variable w instead of x. That's all, but it's still the same process. So we're still finding the function value when w equals 3. So instead of w to the third, we'll have 3 to the third minus, instead of 7 times w, 7 times 3. So 3 to the third, that's really just 3 times 3 times 3. If we're typing it into the calculator, we'll do 3 in parentheses, and then your caret button over here above your division sign. So 3 to the third, or 3 times 3 times 3. So 27, 7 times 3 is 21. 27 minus 21 equals 6. So we would say h of 3 equals 6. So for number 3, we've got g of x equals negative x plus 8. So this is a good one because of the negative. So just the variable is what you guys are substituting. So that negative just is already there. So we have the negative. We're going to substitute the value in there, plus 8. So negative 2 goes in there, and you end up with the negative that was already there times the negative 2 you just plugged in. So that gives you a positive 2 plus 8. So your g function with x value negative 2 would equal 10. So that's really it, just substituting that value. And let's do one more real quick. Number 4, we've got 4 times r squared plus r. So 4, and it wants us to substitute negative 3 in there. negative 3 squared, plus r again, so plus negative 3 again. All right, so exponents first. So we're going to do negative 3 squared. So that gives us 9. And then 4 times 9 is 36. So 36 plus negative 3 gives us 33. So our s function with the value negative 3 would equal positive 33. So you just take the function it gives you, whatever number is inside the parentheses is what you plug in or substitute in.